Hi, so today I'm going to be making a video on how to make candy star necklaces. I've made two. I'm looking for them. They're right here. I made two in the past. I did a black and pink one and orange and yellow one. But today I'm going to be doing blue and green. So what you're going to need are some candy beads. You're going to need 10 of one color and 15 of another color. You're going to need tape, which you don't really need it. It's to tape down the strings. Then you need elastic bracelet string and just some blue rope or something to put around your neck. And you're also going to need scissors. So the first thing you want to do is take your elastic string and get about the length of your wrist. So it'd be like about this much. Then you cut it off. And I just want to tell you guys, the reason I'm making this all one video is because it's easier to explain it than if I were to speed it up. And also, I'm recording on my laptop, so that's why it kind of sounds funny. So then you get your string and you tape it. Or you don't really have to tape it, but you should if you feel like it's gonna slip. And you put the color of 10 beads on the string. So for me it's gonna be blue, but you just use whatever color of 10 beads you have. I'm kind of breathing weird. It's because I have a mask on. I'm trying to hurry, but it's just not working out for me. So you can't really see because I'm holding it low. But I have 6 on right now. And I think I might have got too much string because I kind of have a big wrist. But it's better to have extra than to run out. Hold on, I have to count it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need one more. Once you have the 10 beads on a string, you make an X. You have to tie it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So take the ends, you make an X, you tuck one under like this, then you pull it. Then you put your finger and kind of make a loop and then stick one in here. Pull it again. And then you do that 3 or 4 times to get it as tight as possible so that way it won't come undone. Normally I use my teeth to put the string through, but I have a mask on, so I can't do that. And then you get the extra. And you're going to see the knot. See it right there? You do not want to cut the knot or else it will all come undone. So you could kind of just cut right on top the extra off like that. So you should have just this little thing. And then you could just set it to the side. What's next? Okay, yeah. So you get the rest of your string. This might take a while. And you're going to want also about the size of your wrist. Could I cut this? Okay, I got it. So, and by the way, it's better to have a little bit extra, especially on this part, than to not have enough at all. So I'm cutting about that much. It's like the perfect amount. Then this is kind of the trickier part. You take it through 1, you slide it like this, then you take 3 of the second color beads, like this. Then you hold this part like this, Then you string the string through the second bead. You skip one bead, and then you put it through the third one. I really need my teeth right now. How could I do this? Okay, so I'm gonna put it through the next string down here. It's easier. Nope, I need my teeth. I'm sorry. I'm not editing this either, so you're gonna have to watch it. Hi. That's what I didn't want. I didn't want to take off the mask, but I have to. So, click this. So you put the string through this one, you add 3 beads, you skip the next bead and put it through the third one. Then, you want to kind of hold this side because it'll keep the beads from falling out. You get 3 more green beads, or your second color. You string them through. I'll show you right now. Like this. You just put them through the thing. You skip this bead, and then you put the string through here. I hope I'm explaining this right. You're gonna have to use your teeth, honestly. Like this. Then you do that around the whole star. I wish I could show you guys like this. I almost dropped it, my heart stopped. Oh, I can show you guys like this. Oh, by the way, you could speed this video up on the settings thing up there or wherever. That will make this video a lot faster. It'll end faster so you don't have to keep watching it. Okay, so you see I skipped it. I only have 2 more, so the video is almost done, I swear. I feel like all of my beads disappeared. Because before this, I had laid out the beads I was going to need. And now they're like gone. I don't know what happened or what I did, but they just disappeared. Wow. What do I do? I'll be back. So I didn't realize that you could pause it and it won't make a second recording, which is really helpful. I did almost all of the star tips. You could just rewatch what I did before because I think I showed pretty good how to do it. It just kind of takes time because you have to hold both strings so they won't fall off like you saw. That was kind of embarrassing, but it's whatever because, yeah. Almost done. Did I say that already? I don't know. Okay, yeah. So, once you get to the end, it's gonna look like this. So what you need to do is put this into the bead with another string in it right here. I'm pointing to it. Into this, and then you have to tie it off. So, I want to cry because I feel like I can't do this. Okay. I got it. Yay, I'm so happy. Look, it's like a star. And then you tie it off. How? Wait, did I say it looks like a star? Because that was the whole point of making a candy star. I didn't eat good today. That's why I'm being like this. So you just tie it off. Like how you tied the blue part. And you want to make sure you tie it more than you did the blue one. Because you're going to be wearing it. And you don't want it to fall off while it's wearing. while you're wearing it. Not. I don't know what I'm saying, honestly. I'm trying to be quick. This video is already 10 minutes long. That's why I'm just kind of saying whatever. I'm just going to tie up one more time because I'm really trying to hurry. You know what? I could have paused this video. I'm going to pause it right now because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm back. And I lost my scissors. No, they're right here. So you trim, not the knotted part. You could see the knot right there. You want to trim above it, but not too above because you might get the knot. And then it'll fall apart. So just cut like that. And then here's your candy star. Then you get the string that you're going to put around your neck. Make sure that it's long because if not, it's going to not fit over your head. Especially me. I have a big head. So I need it even bigger. So you cut it. You take one point of the star. And then you stick it through like this. And then you make an X on the top. Make another X on top of that. And then you could tie it again. Then you trim right above the knot or else it'll come out. Then here you have your candy necklace. That wasn't that hard, right? That's how it looks on. Where did it go? Right here. Okay. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry for making you watch all of that. I know I could have edited it. I'm not good at editing those, so that's why I have to do it like this. Let me know. No, YouTube disabled my comments. But if the comments are available, just comment something. Bye.